Hello, my name is Magic, and this is my baby, Pride and Chase. I have not uploaded a YouTube video for more than a year, but now I'm back, and I'm also speaking in front of the camera for the very first time. I apologize for wearing a mask. It is due to having a very bad dental procedure that is detrimental to my looks. Well, it is also to protect myself from whatever viruses and things I may have ingested from my daily bike rides. Someday, I would like to tell you why I left YouTube for some time, but right now I want to focus on the reason why this channel exists, and that is drawing. So please kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button to see more of our drawing demonstrations and art adventures as we reignite our passion to share our art through our videos. So what I want to draw today is an interesting superhero-like character named Bana from an Igorot folklore. Here he is. This is my drawing from 2019. Bana is the hero of the Kalinga epic called Ulalim. Kalinga is a province located north of the Philippines and has a very rich history of culture and tradition. And they were the last group of people to stop the practice of headhunting. What's interesting about Bana is that he is sort of a Hercules, Perseus, and Odysseus rolled into one, and maybe a little bit more. And quite surprisingly enough, much like Homer's Iliad and Odyssey, the Ulalim is also being sung by bards all over Kalinga during festivities. The epic is said to be quite long, that one time a bard started singing from 8 p.m. to 3 in the morning. Well, I'll probably make a future video detailing the exploits of Bana in a storybook-like manner with a few animations. Right now, I'm just restarting the channel and would like a simple drawing exercise. Let's compose a fight scene, actually, so I could show you just how super our hero is. Here's a monster from another Kalinga folklore, the Dinola-alan, a 15-foot monster which is taller than most traditional houses, and it's humans. Most likely pronounced as Dinola-alan or Dinola-alan by the Kalinga people. So let's have Banna kick the monster's ugly hide. Thank you for watching. Did you enjoy our little art demonstration? Please click the like button if you did enjoy it, and please subscribe to our channel. I am Majic, and I develop my art to be a more effective storyteller, and I'll keep trying to improve. Expect a video like this once a week, and we will also upload some extra videos of celebrity sketches or caricatures in between. Have a wonderful time.